In this video, we will discuss for loop. There are three important parts in for loop. The first is loop initialization, where we initialize any variable. Next is test statement, which tests if a given condition is true or false. If the condition is true, then our statements are executed, otherwise the control will come out of the loop. And then there is the iteration statement, where you can increase or decrease your counter. Let's look at its syntax. For keyword, round braces and then initialization. Test condition, iteration statement, and then statements to be executed if the condition is true in curly braces. Let's discuss this. Here I have a variable count. So what I have done here is, first of all, I have document .write starting loop, the start of the loop. Then I have added the for loop. Then in the round braces I have three conditions. I have initialized the first variable as 0. Then I have added the condition that count is less than 3. Then if the condition is true, what it should do is it should print count like 1, 2, 3. Then 1 should print only once, but this statement should be printed 3 times. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So like this. Actually it will go to 1, 2 and then the loop will stop. So it has printed 0, 1, 2 and the loop has stopped. So let's look at how it has done this. Let's try run it. So first of all, the count we had. If I try run it here, I'll call count C. What was the value of count? 0. So next it checked that 0 is less than 3. What would my condition be here? True. So I will call it like this. T. This is how we are executing. 0 is less than 3. The condition will be true. It went down and printed the statement. So I'm not writing it all, but what I am writing is what has it printed? It has printed 0. Okay, then what will be in our count after it has printed 0? Plus plus. What was our count before? 0. So now what will the count be again? The count will be 1. Okay, so 1 has gone to count. If I look here, the value of count will be 1. Now I will check if 1 is less than 3. Yes, it is less. So what will come here? Condition true. I'm directly writing T for dry run. And what will it print? 1. Okay, then it is added plus plus in count. What will be the value after we added plus plus in count? After 1, 2. Then again, what does count have? 2 has gone to count. And what is in condition? 2 less than 3. Was this the condition? So what is the condition? True. 2 is less than 3. So our condition will be true. And what has it printed? It has printed 2. Now what has happened? Now again, it has added plus plus in count. And what will be the value of count? 3. Okay. Now what will count have? 3. And what will count have? Value 3 has gone to count and my 3 is less than 3. Now what is this condition? This condition is false. 3 is not less but is equal. Okay, this condition is false and it will come out of this loop and it will then print loop stop. First of all, a starting loop statement will be printed and then similarly in current loop our 0 is printed. Then count by plus plus 1 was printed. And then after printing count plus plus 1, plus plus 2 was printed. Then plus plus 3 came, but 3 cannot be printed because 3's condition would be false and then a stop condition will come down. This was a dry run. This is it for this video. Let's meet in the next video.